I'm now on the Maguiar's Club Showcase stand with Tom Clarke. Good afternoon, Tom, and welcome to the Classic and Restoration Show 2018.
Hi, how are you? You right?
I'm good. Can you give me a little brief history of the company, when it was formed, and how long it's been going?
Yeah, absolutely. So Meguiar's is an American brand that's been around since 1901. For those of us that perhaps know a little bit about the cars, it's before the car was actually invented. It was a furniture polish company in America. Horseless carriages became a thing, and being a furniture polish, they saw a lovely shiny wooden carriage, and the rest is kind of automotive history. We've been going ever since. So yeah, we're 18 years old in the UK now, and going strong. We're getting bigger and bigger each year.
Have you done this show before?
Yeah, this is our third year, I think. Our third year. We came and supported it the first year with a tent, but as with the NEC, the Classic Motor Show, we have 16 cars on our stand there. So this is kind of just supporting this event, showing the restoration world what we do, and that's the shinier side of the restoration.
Showing the shine.
Yeah, showing the shine, indeed. Yeah.
So, do you know anything about this little car here?
I know a little bit about this. So, Mark and Carolyn Stewart have become very good friends of the Maguiar's family. I own this beautiful, Mary, she's called, 1932 Austin 7 Saloon, I think I was told. They've owned it for 10 years now, but yeah, it's 80-odd year lifestyle. It's lovely, isn't it? Very well presented, yeah. Very well presented. And also we have on our stand our Ford Econoline van, which is a Maguiar's vehicle. It's a 1966 Ford Econoline, and we're the second owners from new. So it was on the road from 66 to 1982, and we recently brought it over into the UK last year, and a restoration strong. We just gave it its next lease of life. So we did a paint restoration on it, but yeah, we're enjoying that now as well.
So are you involved in anything, other things like sponsorship for anything, or?
Not necessarily owners, but we go to, in the UK, we go to on average 50-odd shows a year. So that ranges from everything from modified and the boy races to classic cars and restoration, and everything in between. So we sponsor some shows, we attend, if it's raining in the field, we'll be there as well.
And it's a very good stand you've got here.
Thank you. Yeah, we've tried to allow it to complement our stand from the larger show in November. So this is, if you've been to there, you'll see the 16 cars, and obviously we have just the 2 here for the restoration side of things.
Yeah. Well, there's certainly a lovely shine on them. They look magnificent. Yeah. And thanks very much for the interview.
No problem. Thank you. Cheers.